Hello friends, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is MCQs on Unit 1 Electric Wiring Diagram in Electrical Estimation and Contracting. So now we start. These MCQs are very important, and also these MCQs are important for the SSC JEE exam. So listen carefully. First is, it is the actual connections of components with the help of wires physically installed on walls or ceiling or on boards. So the options are: A is wiring diagram, B is schematic diagram, C is circuit diagram, and D is all of above. So the correct answer is option A, that is the wiring diagram. Means it is actual connections of component with the help of wires physically installed on walls or on ceiling or on board. It is called as wiring diagram. Means option A is correct. Then we see the some symbols used in electrical installation. So now here see the symbols of meters. First is DC voltmeter. This is the symbol of DC voltmeter. Then second is AC voltmeter. This is the symbol of AC voltmeter. Third is DC AC voltmeter. This is the symbol of DC AC voltmeter. Then ammeter. DC or AC ammeter. This is the DC AC ammeter. When DC there is a dash, and when AC this type of symbol like this. Then next is DC-AC wattmeter. So DC-AC wattmeter, here see the DC-AC wattmeter. This is the symbol of DC-AC wattmeter. Then DC generator. This is the symbol of DC generator. Then AC generator or alternator. So this is the symbol of AC generator or alternator. Then DC motor. This is the symbol of DC motor. These symbols are very important in MCQs type exam. Then we see the some match the following. So here see the match the following. In group A, see the first is main fuse board, second is switchless distribution fuse board, third is distribution fuse board, fourth is main fuse board. These are the some symbols. So we match the pair. So here see the options are: A is 1C, means main fuse board. Option C. Then 2B means switchless distribution fuse board. Here see, this is the symbol of switchless distribution fuse board. Then 3A means distribution fuse board. This is the symbol of distribution switchboard or not. Then 4 is D, main fuse board. So main fuse board, this is the symbol of main fuse board or not. So the answer is option C, that is the 1D, 2C, 3B and 4A. Means 1D means 1 main fuse board. So this is the symbol of main fuse board. These are very important. Then second is 2C. 2C. 2 is switchless distribution fuse. This is the symbol of switchless distribution fuse board. Then 3 is B, distribution fuse board. So this is the symbol of distribution fuse board. Then 4A, main fuse board. This is the symbol of main fuse board. Means our answer is option C. This is the correct answer. Means 1D, 2C, 3B and 4A. Then we see this some important symbols. These are very important: ceiling fan, bracket fan, exhaust fan. These are also asked in exam. So here we see first is combined switch and socket outlet 3-pin 15 ampere. This is the symbol of this. Then next is fluorescent lamp. So this is the symbol of fluorescent lamp. This is the symbol of fluorescent lamp. Then fans. There are three type of fan: ceiling fan, bracket fan, and exhaust fan. So first symbol is ceiling fan, then second is bracket fan, and third is exhaust fan. These are very important symbols, means which are bracket fan, which is ceiling fan, and which is a exhaust fan. Then the bell. So this is the symbol of bell. Then buzzer. This is the buzzer. Then horn or hooter. This is the symbol of horn or hooter. Bell connected to fire alarm. This is the symbol of bell connected to fire alarm. Then siren. This is the symbol of siren. Then fuse board. A is main fuse board. We see in this MCQs. Then second is main fuse board. This is the main fuse board with switches. C is distribution fuse board without switches. D is distribution fuse board with switches. E is main fuse board without switches. So this is the symbol of this. Then we see the next question. Additional safety equipment nowadays are, means nowadays additional safety equipments are. Options are: A is MCB, B is MCCB, and C is ELCB, and D is all of the above. So the correct answer is, you all know, option D is correct, means all the options are correct, and these are all the additional safety equipment nowadays. Then next question is, means means in which all the conductor and operators are electrically connected to a source of electric. So options are: A is switchgear, B is electrical system, C is earthing system, and D is installation. So the correct answer is option B, means electrical system. Means in which all the conductors and operators are electrically connected to a source of electric supply. Then our answer is option B, electric system. So the next question is, PVC conduits can be joined by. PVC conduit can be joined by. Options are: A is welding, B is threading, C is solvent cement, and D is any of the above. So these are the option, and our correct answer is option D, means any of the above. Means PVC conduit is joined by welding, threading, or solvent cement. So the correct answer is option D, any of the above. Then next question is, match the following. So here see the match the following. First is intermediate switch. Second is two pole one way switch. 3 is single pole one way switch, and fourth is 2DP switch. So these are the some symbols, and we match them. So these are the options. Then correct answer is option B, means 1C, means intermediate switches. This is the symbol of intermediate switch. Then 2D, two pole one way switch is this is the symbol of two pole one way switch. Our correct answer is option B. 3 is A, means single pole one way switch. This is the symbol of single pole one way switch. Then 4B, 2DP switch. So this is the 2DP switch. So these are the some symbols. We see this in description. So now here see the symbols. First is general wiring. This is the symbol of general wiring. Then wiring on the surface, wiring on the surface. Then wiring under the surface. These are opposite, means wiring on the surface and wiring under the surface. Then conduit wiring. These are two types, on surface and concealed. So first is, this is the on surface and this is the concealed. Then wiring going upward. This is the wiring going upward. Then wiring going downward. Wiring passing through a room. At this single pole one way switch. This is the single pole one way switch. Then two pole one way switch. This is the two pole one way switch. Then three pole one way switch. These are the three pole one way switch. Then 11th is one pole pull switch. This is the symbol of one pole pull switch. 12th is two way switch. This is the symbol of two way switch. Then intermediate switch, this is the symbol of intermediate switch. We see this in MCQs. Then push button or bell push, this is the symbol of push button or bell push. Then luminous push button, this is the symbol of luminous push button. 16th is 5 ampere socket outlet 2 pin and 5 ampere socket outlet 3 pin. So these are the symbols. So in this, any of the symbols are asked in exam, so these are very important. Then next question is, today's transmission level voltages are usually considered to be ... and above. So options are: A is 132 kV, B is 110 kV, C is 11 kV and D is 66 kV. So the correct answer is option B, that is the 110 kV. So here see, the option is answer B. Option is B and our correct answer is 110 kV. And then we see the next question, match the following. Here also the symbols. Then first is buzzer. Second is motor starter. Third is electric bell and fourth is star delta starter. So these are the names of this and these are the symbols. So correct answer is option D, means 1A, means buzzer. This is the symbol of buzzer. Then second is motor starter. So this is the symbol of motor starter. Then electric bell. So this is the symbol of electric bell and star delta starter. So this is the symbol of star delta starter. So we see the some important symbols. So one-way switch, this is the symbol of one-way switch. Then two-way switch. After this ICTP switch. Then pendant switch, pull switch, intermediate switch. These are the symbols of different switches and fuses. Then intermediate switch, isolator with fuse means HRC fuse. Then fuse, oil circuit breaker, push button circuit closing opening switch, aerial. Then jointing of conductor, crossing of conductor. Then this is the symbol of fault. So this is very important symbol, that is the fault. Then earthing, this is the symbol of earthing. Then we see the next MCQs is that mechanical switching device which is capable of making, carrying and breaking current under normal condition. So the options are: A is conductor, B is switch, C is switch fuse and D is fuse link. So the correct answer is option B, that is switch. This is the definition of switch, means mechanical switching device which is capable of making, carrying and breaking current under normal condition. So this is the definition of switch. Option B is correct answer. Then next question is, a switch in which one or more poles have a fuse in series in a composite unit. So options are: A is switch, B is switch fuse, C is switch and D is fuse switch. So the correct answer is switch fuse, means a switch in which one or more poles have a fuse in series in a composite unit. This is the definition of switch fuse. Then next question is, ... is a representation of the element of a system using abstract graphic symbols rather than realistic pictures. So options are: A is pictorial diagram, B is single line diagram, C is schematic diagram and D is wiring diagram. So the correct answer is option C, that is the schematic diagram. Means schematic diagram is a representation of the element of a system using abstract graphic symbols rather than realistic pictures. Then next question is, ... is a tube used to protect and route electrical wiring in a building or structure. Options are: A is cable, B is circuit, C is flexible cable and D is electrical conduit. So the correct answer is option D, means electrical conduit. Electrical conduit is a tube used to protect and route electrical wiring in a building or structure. So the option D is correct answer. Then next question is, what is PPE? This is very important question. PPE means personal protective equipment. PPE means personal protective equipment. Then next question is, it is an arrangement of conductor or conductors for the purpose of conveying energy and forming a system or a branch of system. Options are A is wiring, B is circuit, C is cable, and D is conductor. So the correct answer is option B, that is the circuit. Means it is an arrangement of conductor or conductors for the purpose of conveying energy and forming a system or a branch of system. So the correct answer is option B. Correct answer is circuit. Then last question is, a metal plate, pipe or other conductors electrically connected to the general mass of the earth. Options are A is earthing lead, B is earth electrode, C is earth, and D is all of above. So the correct answer is option B, means earth electrode. Earth electrode is a metal plate, pipe or other conductors electrically connected to the general mass of the earth. So these are very important question. I hope you like this video today. Thank you. In the next video we see the MCQs on unit 2 of electrical estimation and contracting.